How to fix Instagram account not updating. Whether it's your feed, profile or post, it can be super frustrating when things aren't updating as they should. But don't worry, I've got some quick fixes for you, so let's jump in. The number one step is to check your internet connection. If your connection is slow or unstable, Instagram won't be able to update you properly. Try switching between the Wi-Fi and the mobile data. If the internet is weak, Instagram might not load new posts or the updates. The step 2 is to refresh your feed or profile. Sometimes it's as simple as pulling down on the screen to reload everything. Pull down on your feed or swipe down on your profile to refresh it. This might help the latest post or changes load properly. Step 3 is to clear Instagram cache. For that, go to the settings of your mobile phone. Scroll down and tap onto General and tap onto iPhone Storage. Then scroll down and find Instagram. Just right here, now select it. Then tap onto Offload app. After offloading the app, the cache will be cleared of the Instagram. And make sure you reinstall it again after offloading the app. And the next step is to update Instagram. For that, go to the App Store and open the Instagram app. And if there is the update version, simply update it. And the final step is to restart your phone. Restarting your phone can help resolve any temporary glitches affecting the Instagram. For that, simply tap onto the home button just like this and tap onto restart. And that's it. Those are the steps to get your Instagram account updating. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching.